What is going on, YouTube? Huh? What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, and today we're having surgery on the 350Z. Today we are going to be changing the spark plugs and probably going to be cleaning the plenum depending on how much time we have, because as you can see I'm in uniform and I have work later on today. But we've already taken off the strut brace, which is down there on the floor, and we're about to get ready to start taking off the cover and the plenum. Nick literally just got here. Terrence is over there on the side, and he's gonna be kind of tutoring me on what to do. And we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put on the tripod right next to the camera, well, next to the car, so you guys can see everything I'm doing in a time lapse. So this is probably gonna be a little bit of a shorter video, but in how to install, and you guys are gonna, you know, follow me on my. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. And I always have more content. I'm doing some big things this summer. You guys are gonna see I do something every summer, especially because that's when I can get the most revenue and money out of you guys. Not out of you guys, but out of my job. So let's go ahead and just stop talking and get today started. All right, I'm gonna try to get as much as I can with this, guys. We lower and adjust this really nice.
It's hard to explain. So last night.
Yeah, look at that plenum, boy. This thing is dirty as rocks. I don't even want to show you how to top that.
You ever saw a GTR under the hood? This?
Yeah, we got a lot of work to do.
You can make more copies, use my plenum. I got nothing.
Hey, so really, we don't need to take this off?
Alright. Plenum's off. And now, we get to the good stuff right here.
We really don't need to take this off, but do you want to so you can clean it or not?
We don't need to take it off? I'm taking it off now. Yeah.
Your car.
We're gonna go ahead and clean the plenums first and then go finish the rest. Alright, next we're pulling off the gray things. That's what we call them.
Will you take the spark plugs out?
Yeah.
Let me know when you take
You got any C's?
When you take the spark plugs out, let me know.
How do people do this with the plenum on? Oh, you got it?
Yep. It's bad. Buried in it.
Wait. Where are you? Right here. Oh, I finished.
It's already coming down. It's just. I'm out. How much you got the cold packs?
What was this?
Alright, we're taking out the spark plugs right now. I don't know why I was using that view, but I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, we're taking a short break. We're taking a short break. I gotta go get some NECs, so I'll catch you guys in a couple of seconds. And why are you not focusing? Alright, Nick's gonna go get some NECs, and we're gonna go ahead and take off the rest of the spark plugs. But we'll catch you guys in a second.
I already took all the clothes out, so take them all out.
Alright, all the spark plugs. All we're doing is taking out all the spark plugs.
Yeah, we took the 20 out.
Alright.
And I'm gonna do that little spray key thing, and put the NSC thing on there.
This one looks straight on the far end. I don't see no oil.
Yeah, that side looks pretty good.
Alright, now he's he sprayed brake cleaner inside as well as, what is that, pressurized air?
Yes.
To clean it out. Doing the next one. Can't open the package. It's on.
Battery from the back.
I know. If it died, then I'll just recharge and catch them up. Alright, so we're about to put the spark plugs in. Pretty sure this doesn't go on with it. Take this guy off. Take this bad boy off. I'm gonna put on the magnet first and then lay it down in there. Well, does that make sense? Or does the magnet gonna pick it right back up?
No, it's not.
If I tighten it on. Put some NSCs on here. So, hey, this should look like a faux color. You should get this.
What?
This color?
No.
That'd be a faux color. Hey, wouldn't this not be a faux color?
No.
On your car. No. Look at this. Look at this.
No.
Oh.
No. It's crazy you put that in my face. He kept trying.
This it? This much?
You wipe it around.
Alright. Wipe. Leave it up, you know what I'm saying? This is good contact, sir. Yeah. Alright.
I was recording this whole time.
Oh no.
I don't know where I was aiming at.
He wasn't even looking at it. Look. Y'all talking about me. And then just drop it.
No, just put your finger in there if you can. It doesn't really matter. Just don't slam it in there.
I'm not gonna slam it.
Yeah. Well, you slammed it.
I couldn't. It's fine. Just don't do that again. How am I supposed to not? My finger couldn't fit any farther in there without dropping it.
Now get the extension.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, you need it.
Take off the ratchet and do it by hand. Yeah. Tiny by hand to make sure you go behind them.
I got a spark plug tool in my truck. I'm just playing.
Yeah.
Man. Alright, since we're on a dead crunching time, I did the first side and put all the spark plugs back in. We had to go to our rallies to get one because we had one incorrect spark plug for another car. Terrence is working on that side right now. That side is complete, and you guys are gonna follow me and we're gonna go ahead and clean up this plenum. So What I'm gonna use for this is kerosene, a toothbrush, and a rag to clean this up. I'm not gonna hold the camera. I'm just gonna show you guys it finished after. But pretty much, you want to pour your kerosene onto the plenum, both the top and lower, and start scrubbing down. So I'll show you what it looks like after we're done here. All right, let me show you guys the after of the plenum. It's not completely clean, but it's not bad. Try to get you guys get a nice inside look of it when it doesn't look so bright, so I can get a real spectrum color of what it looks like. Yeah, it's not bad. Pretty much cleaned out. And now next, you gotta just air pressure everything out. Make sure there's no gasoline left in it or brake cleaner. We're about to do the last spark plug on this side, so we're working on it. And then after that, gonna put everything back in order, and then I'll close out this video. All right, everything is back together, and we're gonna go ahead and hit you guys with a nice little cold start. See how everything turns out. Getting keys in the charger. Ignition. You wanna hold it? Aight. Oh. Ready? Yep. I told you, your car is about to ride like. At first it was like, then it said, no, we'll come back. Oh my God. Your car is like. Nothing came up, did it? No. I just want to see your RPMs. It was at. Yeah, you gonna be low tech right now. Alright, so guys, that was the end of the video. The car's running fine. I'm gonna try to get some follow-ups. I'm really trying to get a new camera. I've been listening to you guys. My focus is bad, and the coloring of this camera always, I don't know. So I'm gonna be getting a new camera soon, but first I'll get a GoPro so you guys will be with me when I'm driving, and it'll be more interactive and fun for you guys. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you put a big thumbs up, put the notification bell up, and my hands are very dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch that, and I hope you subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.